Hi, let's learn about micro, macro, and mesoeconomics. Microeconomics deals with minute aspects such as consumer behavior or a specific industry's performance. So, if you're talking about how the consumer behavior is changing, or for example, a certain company's performance, profit and loss, etc., that comes under microeconomics because we are looking at minute aspect within the larger economy. When it comes to macroeconomics, it deals with a big picture. For instance, if we let's say talk about aspects or metrics such as inflation, unemployment, poverty, GDP, these aspects are connected with the large economy, which does not exclude anything in specific. So that comes under macroeconomics. As the name suggests, it talks about things on a larger scale. For instance, these metrics are not connected with a certain region or a certain area or a certain business. In fact, they are connected with the entire country or maybe the entire world. Okay, so that is micro and then macroeconomics. Now, there is an intermediate concept between these two, that is mesoeconomics. Now, mesoeconomics is connected with aspects that are in between both of them. For example, an industry, microeconomics. A specific company comes under microeconomics, or the larger country comes under macroeconomics. What we talk about in mesoeconomics is a specific sector. For example, steel sector, how is it performing? Or real estate, how is it performing? So aspects connected with a specific sector do not fall into microeconomics or macroeconomics. So this is something that is connected with mesoeconomics. But please understand, often the concepts that we would usually be discussing would be micro or macroeconomics, but not mesoeconomics. It's not really such a big issue. And specifically for civil services, we would be focusing almost entirely on macroeconomics because that is our focal point. Thank you.